Hi there and welcome back. Some people go on vacation for rest and relaxation, but we obviously don't. So let's get started. Long-time subscribers already know that Laszlo owns an apartment in Budapest in this lovely Art Nouveau building right in the city center. The apartment is his link to his home country Hungary. It is a, for Budapest, very typical apartment building from 1907, where all the different apartments are arranged around a big courtyard with revolving balconies. It's just one bedroom, a living room, kitchen and bath. Enough space to call home. Located in one of the nicest parts of the city. To cover the costs, we usually rent it out to visiting students who study 1 or 2 terms at one of Budapest's universities. Back then, this place was a ruin when Laszlo bought it 10 years ago. So, of course, we renovated it completely. Installed a new kitchen, central heating, renovated the bathroom, painted the entire place, sanded the parquet floors, and so on and so forth. We often use the summer breaks for these renovations, because when the universities are closed, there are no renting students and the apartment is vacant. So in summer we do some repairs, replace broken furniture, add new cooking utensils to the kitchen and so on, to keep everything in perfect condition. These pictures that you see are already 2 years old. Unfortunately, 2 years later, the apartment does not look as good anymore. The cracks in this picture are deliberately. These ones here on the wall are not. Due to construction work underneath our property, these cracks that we already filled and speckled years ago reopened again, spanning the entire wall. Unfortunately, in the living room it's even worse. Highest time to act, cause in the kitchen, it isn't any better. We started in the bedroom with an unconventional idea, but see yourself. The third man you see on screen is Laszlo's father. Conveniently, his name is Laszlo as well. idea was to cover the longest crack with, well, with nature. But first we have to secure and flatten every loose parts. Now the cracks are scraped out and we have to fill them again. First, we paint some undercoating to fixate the plaster. By the way, here you can see how quickly everything dries out with 34 degrees centigrade outside temperature. So, finally it's filling time. For the bigger part of the wall we have a solution coming right from the 70s, a photographic wallpaper. Laszlo and me had a long discussion in the home center whether we should install it or not. But I told him, believe me, it really works out. But I don't want to give too much away right now. In the living room, the problem was no such easy fix. Huge segments of the wall had to be replastered and sanded. And plastered and sanded. And now the stage was mine. Don't ask me why I always look so stupid when I try to focus. Now all the cracks are gone and speckled, and I painted the entire room. Well, actually it's a green, it's a very light green, grayish green. I don't think that it looks like this on camera, but believe me, in person it does. And now it is our big challenge to add something to these walls, because they are quite tall. And in the city center I found a gallery, and where they sell prints of an Hungarian artist. And this, for example, is in Budapest the Hero Square, or in Hungarian it's the Hősök tere. Laszlo, is it correct? Hősök tere. And this is a very famous and popular 5-star hotel where Laszlo always wanted to stay, maybe one day. And of course, the third picture is the Hungarian Parliament. It's very well known. It's directly next to the river Danube. And of course, I found some random IKEA pictures. So, let's decorate. The new pictures add more local touch to the room. As an overall topic for the decoration, we chose nature as the main theme. Hence the light green color that calms everything down and makes it feel a bit closer to nature. And closer to nature is now the small office area in the bedroom as well, where from now on you can enjoy the view to this little park. And with this new wallpaper in the bedroom, from now on you can wake up in a forest. The crack from ceiling to floor is fully covered now. Do you like our wallpaper solution? Just leave a comment. This renovation took us 3 days. 3 days for scraping, filling and sanding all the cracks, painting the walls and cleaning everything afterwards. Actually, 3 days for 3 persons working in 3 rooms. The apartment is ready now for the new tenants arriving after summer. Now we can spend some time in lovely Budapest and enjoy the new flat. See you all next week, this time from the tiny house again, hooray! Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.